we are going to discuss about inflorescence. Inflorescence. നമുക്കറിയാം ഫ്ലവർ ചിലപ്പോൾ ഒരു സിംഗിൾ ഫ്ലവർ ആവാം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഫ്ലവർ ആവാം. സിംഗിൾ ഫ്ലവർ ആണ് ഉണ്ടാവുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ഫ്ലവറിന് വിളിക്കുന്ന പേര് solitary flowers. Singly born flowers are called solitary flowers. If the flowers are grouped or a group of flowers arranged on a common axis are known as inflorescence. It is the group of flowers. The group of flowers arranged on a common axis are called inflorescence. The common axis of inflorescence is called the peduncle. Peduncle. The stalk of inflorescence is known as the peduncle. നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കുന്നത് type of inflorescence. What are the type of inflorescence? Inflorescence are mainly two types based on the growth of peduncle. Based on the growth of peduncle, inflorescence are two types. The first one is racemose inflorescence. Second one is cymose inflorescence. Racemose inflorescence, also known as indeterminate inflorescence. Then cymose inflorescence are determinate. There is another type of inflorescence, a special type of inflorescence, that is special inflorescence. Actually two types, racemose and cymose. There is another type of inflorescence that we call special inflorescence. Today we are going to discuss about racemose inflorescence. Already പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു racemose inflorescence, cymose inflorescence, special inflorescence എന്നൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ inflorescenceനെ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ആയിട്ട് തിരിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് പെഡങ്കിളിന്റെ ഗ്രോത്തിന്റെ ബേസിലാണ്. Based on the growth of peduncle, inflorescence are classified into two groups, mainly two groups, racemose and cymose. First type, racemose or indeterminate. Here, in racemose inflorescence, the growth of the peduncle is continuous. Continuous growth of peduncle. Continuous growth of peduncle. This is the character of racemose inflorescence. The peduncle possesses younger flowers at the tip. See, like this. The basal region, the flowers are arranged like this. Here, the younger flowers at the tip, older flowers at the base. Younger flowers at the tip and the older flowers are arranged at the base. This type of arrangement of flowers is known as acropetal succession or acropetal arrangement. Acropetal arrangement of flowers. Acropetal arrangement of flowers means older flowers are arranged at the base and younger flowers at the top or tip. This type of arrangement is known as acropetal arrangement. So, we are discussing about racemose inflorescence. There are different type of racemose inflorescence. They are, first one is simple raceme. Simple raceme. Then spike. Then third one one, coring. Fifth one, umbel. Then the head or capital. See, there are 7 types of racemose inflorescence. Simple raceme, spike, spadix, catkin, coring, umbel, head or capital. Once again, simple raceme, spike, spadix, catkin, coring, umbel, head or capital. Discussing about the simple raceme. First one, simple raceme. Simple raceme the growth of the peduncle is continuous. Continuous growth of peduncle. Continuous growth of peduncle because it is a raceme. Growth of peduncle. Here the older flowers at the base and younger flowers are arranged at the tip. The flowers are pedicellate. Flowers are pedicellate, means the flowers have a stalk. That is the character of simple raceme. Pedicellate flowers. Pedicellate flowers. This is the character of simple raceme. Pedicellate means with stalk. With stalk. First type racemose inflorescence in the first type simple raceme. Simple raceme in the peduncle growth is continuous. The older flowers are arranged at the base and younger flowers at the tip. The flowers are pedicellate, means they have a stalk. This is the character of simple raceme. Example. Example, crotalaria. Crotalaria. Example. Then the second type of inflorescence is, second type is spike. Spike. It is similar to raceme, but the difference is the flowers are sessile. They have sessile flowers. All other characters are same as that of simple raceme. The flowers are sessile, means without stalk. Flowers without a stalk. This is the difference of simple raceme and spike. Example, piper. Example, piper. Kurumulaga flowers are spike in example. The third type of racemose inflorescence is the spadix. Spadix. Spadix is a special type of spike. It is a special type of spike. Special type of spike. Here, the peduncle is fleshy and thick. The peduncle is fleshy and thick. Here, the flowers are covered by a leathery structure called a spathe. Here, the flowers are covered by a bract or leathery structure called spathe. Example, banana, and collocation. Banana and collocation. Spadix is a special type of spike. Here the peduncle is fleshy and thick. Peduncle is fleshy and thick. The flowers are covered by a bract-like structure called spathe, a special type of structure called spathe. Presence of spathe is the character of spadix. Here the flowers are unisexual, small and unisexual. Example, banana and collocation. And the fourth type of racemose inflorescence is catkin. Catkin, also known as amentum. Amentum. Fourth type of inflorescence is catkin. It is also a type of spike inflorescence. Here the peduncle is weak. Here the peduncle is weak and thin. A fleshy, thin, weak peduncle is the character of catkin inflorescence. Here the flowers are pendulous. Pendulous flowers. Pendulous flowers. The flowers are small and sessile. Small and sessile means without the stalk. This is the character of catkin inflorescence. It is a type of spike inflorescence. The peduncle is weak. Peduncle is weak and thin. Flowers are pendulous. The flowers are small and sessile. Example for catkin inflorescence. Example, mulberry. Example, mulberry. Mulberry, oak, etc. This is the fourth type of catkin. Is the fourth type of racemose inflorescence. It is also known as amentum. Here, the peduncle is weak and thin. Flowers are pendulous, small and sessile. Example, mulberry and oak. Then the fifth type of inflorescence is the cory. Cory. Cory means a character. Peduncle is shortened. Shortened peduncle. Shortened peduncle. Then the flowers have a stalk called the pedicel. See, this is the stalk of inflorescence, that is the peduncle. It is very short, a short peduncle. Here, this is the flower, all the flowers at the base and the younger flowers at the bottom. Here, all the flowers have a long pedicel. A long pedicel. Long pedicel. Whereas younger flowers have a very short pedicel. So, see, all the flowers here, all the flowers are arranged at the same position. Here, the flowers are arranged at the same position. This is the character of cory inflorescence. Flowers are pedicellate, have stalk. Older flowers have long pedicel, whereas younger flowers have short pedicel. So the flowers are arranged in the same position. This is the character of racemose inflorescence. Sorry, a cory inflorescence. Example, Cisalpinia. Cisalpinia. Next type of inflorescence is the umbel. Umbel pratyekata, peduncle is shortened. Shortened peduncle, shortened and reduced peduncle. Reduced peduncle. Here, the flowers are pedicellate. Flowers have a stalk. Pedicellate. Pedicellate flowers. Pratyekata, here the flowers are arranged from a common point of the peduncle. This is the peduncle. Peduncle. From the common point of the peduncle, the flowers are raised. Here, the pedicellate flowers, younger flowers are arranged in the center, and the older flowers at the periphery. Here, the younger flowers are arranged at the center and older flowers at the periphery. This is the character of umbel inflorescence. So all the flowers are arranged at the same position. Here, the younger at the center, older at the periphery. This type of arrangement is called centripetal arrangement. Centripetal arrangement of flowers. Centripetal arrangement of flowers. Here, the younger flowers at the center and older at the periphery. So, the type of arrangement of flowers is known as the centripetal arrangement. Example: biophyta. Biophyta. This is about umbel inflorescence. The next type of racemose inflorescence is the head or capital. Head or capital. In this type, the growth of the peduncle is reduced and it is flattened from a convex shaped receptacle. Here, the peduncle is converted into a convex shaped receptacle. The flowers are small and sessile. The flowers are small and sessile. This small sessile flower in the head or capital inflorescence is called the florets. The florets. In head or capital inflorescence, there are two types of florets. The centrally placed younger flower is called disc florets. Disc florets, and the peripheral ray floret. These florets are arranged in a centripetal manner. Centripetal manner. That is, disc florets at the center and ray florets at the periphery. Example: sunflower. Example: sunflower. And trilaks. This is example of head or capital inflorescence. This is all about racemose inflorescence. In the next class, we will discuss about cymose inflorescence.